Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chelsea, and today we get to talk about what I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale. I did some damage. I don't think I did too much, but I mean, I didn't get a lot of products, but some of the products I got were a little bit more expensive. But I will say, I did get the things that I really wanted. Got some products that I wasn't expecting to get, but I'm really excited about all of them. So let's get into this video. Wait, before we do, you know what we gotta say. Thank you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, taking time out of your day to watch it. It really does mean a lot to me. If this is your first time here, what do you need to do? Go ahead and subscribe. Yes, go ahead and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. If you're a returning subscriber, of course, I'm always so appreciative of your constant support, all of your likes, all of your comments, and for continuing to come back and support my channel. It really does mean the world to me. So now we can get into the video. So the first thing that I picked up that I kind of knew was just like gonna be a go was going to be this McGrath Mothership 6 palette. So if you haven't seen this palette already, I'm pretty sure you have, but this is the Midnight Sun palette. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, I'm gonna wanna get that one. I didn't buy it obviously right away because I wanted to save as much money as I could when I purchased it, and I love it. I'm gonna probably upload a video of me using this palette this week, if I can carve out the time to get up 3 videos. I want to get up 3 videos, and I'm like, why is that so hard to do? Because I got a life. But I definitely want to take some time and show you all how this palette looks on my eyes, what I like about it, share more of my thoughts. But so far, actually I can just tell you right now, I love this palette. I might like this more than my Mothership 5 palette. And I think it's just because the shades are just more earth tone, so I can just wear it more. This shade right here, y'all, when I say it looks like fire on my eyes, like fire. Why are we surprised though? Because it's Mama Pat. Mama Pat always comes through with these special shades. Like, they're phenomenal. So I picked up that one first. That one was a go-to. Then I also wanted the quad, the Ritualistic Rose Quad. So I got that one as well. And I have worn this once, and if you have not tried Pat McGrath's special formula, if you can, please do yourself a favor and try them. I would even say get this over the larger size if you're really just interested in these special formulas or these special shades. I mean, you have not seen shimmer on your eyes until you put one of these on, and that's all I'm gonna say. Stay tuned for my review of it, but I'm telling you, it is worth the money for the uniqueness of that formula, because I promise you, no other company in this market has made special shades like that. And I'm just saying it because it's the truth. So very happy with those 2 purchases. Like I said, I've played with them both, and I can't wait to do a video for you all to show you how I like them and what they look like on the eyes. I'm gonna do 2 separate videos on them. A surprise purchase was the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I actually had this on my wish list, but I didn't really think I was gonna get it. I did do a Sephora recommendations video. No, I did a Sephora what's on my wish list video. I'll link that in the cards if you'd like to go watch it. And I was like, oh, I'm probably not gonna get that because I think I just want it because everybody else just has it. And I saw it swatched and I was like, yeah, I'm getting it. So here is the palette. I did do a review of this palette, so I will link that in the cards as well if you would like to watch it. I did 3 looks with this eyeshadow palette, and this was definitely a surprise. Like, I was not expecting to even pick this up, let alone like it, and I do. Watch that video for more information because I go into much more detail on the pros and the cons of this palette, and hopefully it can help you figure out if it's something that you should pick up. But this was a surprise purchase. I was not expecting to get this. So those were the 3 items that I purchased initially that I was like, yep, this is what I know I want, and these are the products that I'm definitely gonna keep. And then yesterday was the last day of the sale, and I was like, I always do this. On the last day of the sale, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta get something. I have to get something. Like, it's the last day of the sale. Am I sure there's nothing else that I want? And I have been eyeing this one product for a while. This is not new to the market. I think it came out last year maybe. And I just kept looking at it and looking at it, and I finally played with it, and I was like, yeah, I wanna bring you home. This is the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette. And it's a palette that you can use on your face, wet or dry, or you could use it on your eyes, wet or dry. I know me, I'm gonna use this for my face, just from after like swatching the palette and playing with it a little bit. I know I'm gonna like this more on my face than my eyes, simply because I like more pigment to come through for my eyes. But this is so pretty. Like, the highlight shades are gorgeous. I know I can use all of these shades in the palette, which was that's a huge thing for me. If I'm gonna buy a palette, I need to make sure I can use all of them. But I think this is gorgeous. I'm excited to play with this more and show you all how I use it. I haven't played with this wet yet. I've only put this on dry, and I've only used it really twice, when I tested it out in the store, and then when I purchased it, I used it that day, because I be getting so excited over makeup. I can't just like let it sit. I have to play with it like right away. So yeah, I'm really excited that I picked this up, especially when I could get some money off on it. And then the last thing that I purchased, which at first when I saw people doing reviews on it, I was like, I'm not getting this little kitty thing. Too Faced. This surprisingly is kind of cute. So this is I'll show you the box. This is the Too Faced Gingerbread Bronzed and Kissed Bronzer and Lipstick Set. And so when I first saw reviews of this, I was like, I'm not getting that. First of all, the bronzer's not gonna be deep enough for me. The lipstick is nice, but I'm not buying a whole set for a lipstick. And this is so kitty-like. It's actually kind of cute. Like, I'm probably gonna give it to my girls and let them play with it more. And this is the reason why. So this is a pouch that the bronzer and lipstick came in, and you know, it's marketed as like, oh, you can like, you know, use this to carry, you know, makeup or whatever in it. So I'm gonna stick some brushes in this. So here's the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Here's my e.l.f. Highlighting Brush. This is my Morphe Blush Brush. My AOA Studio Highlighting Brush. And then I've got 5 eye brushes. So if like, these are all the products, like all the brushes that you would maybe carry with you, then yeah, you could use this as, you know, a brush carrier. But it's not wide. Like, it's not wide. I definitely carry more brushes with me when I travel, so this would not be able to hold all my brushes. And if you can see inside and I stick my hand in, this is as far as it goes, and I can't even spread my hand out wide. I know you all can't really see that, but there's not a lot of width. Like, you can't put your hands in the arms and the legs of this. So it's not something that you're gonna be able to really use and get a whole lot of use out of it, but it actually is a little cuter than I thought it would be. So, but on to what's more important are the actual products. So this bronzer actually does show up on me. I've already used it, so the little white embossing that was on the Gingerbread Man, it's gone. But it is the bronzer that I am wearing today, and I really do like the subtle bronze look that it gives. I don't think I'll be able to wear this in the summer when I get a tan. I'm around an NC44, Fenty Beauty 350. So if you're deeper than me, unfortunately this bronzer will not work. But I was shocked that it did work, because looking at it in the pan, I was like, it's gonna be too light for me. Of course, if you know the Too Faced brand, they like to make their products scented. So this smells like vanilla chocolate. It smells pretty good. It's not overly scented though. It doesn't like hit you in the face with a whole bunch of with a whole bunch of fragrance. Then again, I'm not sensitive to fragrance, so if you were to smell this in store, you might think differently. But I think it's cute. I usually do not like cutesy, like cartoony types of things. I like my makeup to look grown and in charge and expensive. So I'm kind of shocked that I've gravitated to this particular set, because it typically is not the style that I want or that I like. But hey, it's kind of cute. And then this is the Too Faced lipstick. This is in the shade Gingerbread Man, and this is really pretty on the lips. Really pretty. I love it. It's like a orangey red type of color. It's a matte lipstick, but pretty comfortable. It doesn't transfer on my teeth, especially if like I put a gloss over it, and I really have been enjoying it. So that's all I picked up from the sale. I didn't get too much, didn't go overboard in terms of getting a whole bunch of things. I did spend some money, obviously, because those two Pat McGrath products are not cheap. But I'm really happy with what I got. I know that I'm not going to be returning any of these because I didn't like them. So yeah, that's what I got. I'd love to hear what you got in or from the sale. Definitely let me know down in the description box. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what you picked up from the Sephora VIB sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And as always, I really hope to see you in my very next video. Bye guys.